stock Wolf Hunt free 0-60 disc ball got tested, and let's just say the attackers had a field day with this thing. I ran Wolf Hunt through 200 battles against 20 opponents, covering stamina, balance, defense, and yes, attack types. Spoiler alert, the attack types did not hold back. Out of 200 rounds, Wolf Hunt won 63 times and lost 137. Pretty normal, right? Not so bad, until you see how many times Wolf Hunt exploded. Wolf Hunt wasn't just losing, it was detonating. Against attack types, yeah, this thing was brutal. Wolf Hunt got burst finished so often I had to double check the math to make sure that I didn't type the numbers in wrong. If the opponent had even a hint of aggression, Wolf Hunt's response was usually, alright, cool, I'll just go ahead and eject my entire top half. Now to be fair, Wolf Hunt wasn't all that bad. When it faced calmer opponents, it actually showed some promise. It even pulled a full 10-0 sweep, and it had sets of like 6-4 and 5-5 wins to losses. But these wins all came from low pressure matches where nothing tried to murder it. The weakness though, they're loud. Wide crack attackers, first. High impact contact, first. Breathing too hard near the stadium, honestly my first. Wolf Hunt doesn't just lose bad matchups, it falls apart like it's trying to qualify for a demolition derby. The final stats. Wolf Hunt won 31.5% of rounds and lost 68.5%. Its wins were mostly spin finishes at 55%, but even burst wins were equal to its burst losses. So what is the verdict? Stock Wolf Hunt free 0-60 disc ball is a fun bay, but if you put it against attack types, you're signing permission slip for disaster. Drop your next request in the comments, and I'll put it through the lab. This is Burst Lab X, where battle becomes data, and Wolf Hunt becomes confetti.